Morning, South Jersey. One of those long mornings here in the Weather Center. Lots of information to go over regarding our winter storm arriving for tomorrow. First, before we delve into that stuff, let's talk about today's forecast and the immediate future. High pressure remains in control out over the Great Lakes, so we have a very cold northerly flow of air. We will be calm and quiet for now. Going through the day, very low temperatures, 29 to 31 for our highs, mostly sunny skies. It is heavy jacket weather. The winds won't be too much of an issue, northwest at 5 to 10, so we might even knock a couple degrees off of these high temperatures on what it feels like on your skin out there. Tonight, bone-chilling cold, 12 to 15. We were down in the single digits in some locations yesterday, and we could do likewise tonight. With clear skies, you'll be able to see the stars, and a very light breeze and that relatively fresh snowpack that's still around. I wouldn't doubt us getting below these temperatures, but generally most of us will do 12 to 15 tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures not any warmer, any better, 29 to 31. Again, the clouds will be on the increase, especially later in the afternoon as this guy approaches the area. Here's a low pressure developing down in the Gulf. It will intensify, head out over the Atlantic, and then straight up the eastern seaboard, and it will have implications for all of us, varying degrees, and I'll break that down in just a second. But parts of the deep south that already saw some snow and ice just a couple weeks ago, now seeing it again, a very stringent weather pattern, even as far down as the southeast. I know a lot of you can't wait for it to end. All right, let's break down our storm factors. I think the bulk of precipitation falls between 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. on Thursday, but it will arrive in our backyard in the form of some snow after 10 o'clock Wednesday night. Temperatures will be conducive for the development of snow, so I think we all start as snow. That's a safe bet. Then as the winds wrap around off of the ocean, that's about 38 or 40 degrees in spots. That's when the warmer air gets worked in and we see that transition over to a heavy rain. Accumulation-wise, I'm thinking the rain-snow line sets up well to the northwest out over the I-95 or New Jersey Turnpike corridor. So any heavy foot or more amounts are pushed back to the northwest. For us, I'm thinking 3 to maybe 4 inches for eastern Atlantic County, even less down towards the Cape, especially as we transition over to that rain sooner than everybody else. As the rain does arrive, it washes away any accumulations, but the snow may be back at the end of the storm. My biggest concern right now is the gusty northeast winds. Combined with that full moon on Friday, we could be talking about some minor to moderate tidal flooding, so I'll have to keep my eye on that. Wind gusts well over 30 miles an hour, hitting 40 miles an hour at times. So anybody who lives in low-lying areas along the shore, move those cars. You do have the potential for some flooding with this one and beach erosion. So my main concern, more than snow, is the coastal impact. That can change if the storm shifts a little bit further out to sea. Then southeastern New Jersey could very well be put in that heavier snow category. But as of right now, it looks like the heaviest snow to the northwest, the coastal impacts our biggest issue. Breaking it down, a quick start as snow and then a transition over to rain for eastern Atlantic County straight down to the Cape. Snow to a rainy mix through Hamilton, Mullica, EHT, Mays Landing, maybe 3 or 4 inches of snow before that transition occurs. And then northwest of Hamilton, 4 to 6 inches. And this is where I think the rain-snow line sets up, just over the bridge of Philadelphia. And then Philadelphia points north and west. Well, you guys are in for a big 8 to 12 or more inch event. So very exciting depending on where you live. If you're a snow lover, you want to be northwest of Hamilton. If you don't like the snow, but you're afraid of the rain and the coastal implications, well, then you'd be right along the beaches from Brigantine down to Cape May. This is something we will now cast, and I will have frequent updates on my page throughout the day. Looking long-term at your South Jersey 7-day forecast, after we get the storm out of here Thursday, we clear out for Friday. I'm watching a couple pieces of energy that may make their way through for Saturday and Sunday. Nothing big, just maybe some light snow showers. And Monday clears out at 36. That's your President's Day. Looking beyond this, Like I said yesterday, it looks like the jet stream kind of flattens out and allows some warmer air from the west to move in. Could Punxsutawney Phil be wrong and we see an early spring? We're going to have to watch it. Thanks for logging on to NBC 40's Weather on the Web. I'm Nor'easter Nick. Have a great day, everyone.